You searched how to buy shares of JD Health International Inc. JD Health is a healthcare services and online pharmacy company listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, ticker 6618 HK. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 6618 HK to locate JD Health. Choose the result that shows JD Health International Inc. listed on HKEX to ensure it's the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a live price chart. Double-check the company name and ticker 6618 HK to confirm this is the right listing. Press the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review your order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next market session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft note: the eToro link is in the video description if you want to explore the platform.